Hello! In this video, we're going to go through what happens when everyone encountered a change. Okay, so here's the patterns of the question. There are two kinds of hair accessory. She bought another 15 hair clips and 10 hairpins. So both accessories had a change, right? Next. Oops, let me deal with this. 1 second. I was going through this question and I made a mistake, so I'm just doing this video one more time actually. Yeah, and boom, there you go. Okay, so Genevieve gave away 3, Jiaying sold 4, so both receive a change as well. So let's see what the method is to solve this kind of questions. So there are two kinds of hair accessories. There are pins and there are clips. And the ratio at first was 1:4, pins to hair clips. 1 unit, 4 units. This is at first. The change is she bought another 15. Oh, hair clips. Tricky. Another 15 hair clips and another 10 hair pins. And the ratio became 1:3. So there's the change. Let's see, 1:3 would be, I'm going to use 1 part and 3 parts, and I'll explain why afterwards. What we're going to do is we're going to make both sides equal, and I'm going to label this as workings, so the student never ever uses this part to solve for their final answer. I'm going to make both sides equal to make them 3p and 3p so that I can draw a bar model to compare. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to multiply this side by 3. And we have 3 units plus 30, no change here. Bar model time. Left hand side, right hand side is both 3p. So we can do that. Three p here. 3p here. The 3p on the left is 3 units plus 30. The 3p on the right is 4 units plus 15. Now 4 units, I'm going to break it up to 3 units and 1 unit. Reason being, I can then compare easily that this 30 down here is exactly 1 unit and 15. Okay? This still makes 4, right? Not a problem. And from there I can solve the question. So 1 unit I can see it's 15. I'm going to skip a few steps to conserve time. And they want how many accessory altogether in the end. No, at first. Altogether at first is right here, 1 unit and 4 units. That's 5 units. That'll be the answer. Yeah. Next one. So Genevieve to Jiaying is 3:4. Give away. Tricky. Jiaying to Genevieve, they changed sides, yeah? Became 2:3. So be very careful about this changing sides. At first is 3:4. Gave away, and sold, sorry, and then it became 2:3, but 2 belongs to Jiaying and 3 belongs to this side. This was the at first, and then there's the change, and let's deal with it. So we wanted both sides of the p's to be equal. We're going to make it 6p and 6p. So what we have here is 6 units minus 6, 12 units minus 42. Okay, again I'm going to write the word workings here to remind the students to never ever use this part to find your final answer. It's just a working. Okay, so 6p. Now we got a subtraction going on here. So the 6p is 6 unit minus 6, that gives you a 6p. So we're going to start with the 6 unit. to subtract that 6, and it ends up with 6p. That's what 6p is. And then on the right hand side, this 6p looks different. It's 12 units minus 42, so which means it's going to be a little longer, 12 units. Taking away 42 to give you 6p, so 6p still have to be the same length as the one above. Taking away 42. So you can see that with these two pink lines, I can tell that this space here is also 6 units. Right? And then this space here has to do with can you see that this space here is actually 42 minus 6. Yeah? And that will give you the value of 6 units. So 6 units is minus 6 is minus 2 minus 4, so that makes 36. I got 1 unit is 6. Okay, let's go back to the question. How many cakes Jiaying in the end? In the end, Jiaying is 4 units taking away 14. So which is 4 units is 24, taking away 14, which makes a total of 30. This is 6 units. So using this, so using the blue highlights is where I can solve the question to find the final answer. Okay, and that's it. Whew. Yeah, I know this was not easy, but you know, endure through, persevere, go back and make sense of every step. Make sense. Don't memorize the steps, it never helps. Make sense. Okay.